Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nayar Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Alright, so today I have with me this Colgate Faith Shakti oil pulling. Now, oil pulling is basically a technique, and this is not something which has been recently found. Like, this is kind of an ancient technique where we put oil in our mouth and we switch it around and spit it out. Like, it's basically gargling your mouth with oil. And mostly the oil which traditionally people used to use was virgin coconut oil, because coconut oil has a nice pleasant fragrance and it doesn't even taste that bad. But in this product, in this Colgate Ved Shakti oil pulling, we have the base is of sesame oil, and sesame oil is known to have antibacterial properties. So let's know more about this product. So this 200 ml of bottle retails for 350 rupees. This has sesame oil, which is the main ingredient, and this has holy basil, eucalyptus, clove and lemon. And sesame oil is also known to have multiple therapeutic properties. Holy basil is known to fight germs, and eucalyptus helps in reducing plaque formation. Lemon, we all know lemon helps in providing freshness. And in case you have any toothache or something, clove will help in reducing that. So this is what oil pulling is. Like, as I told you before, you just have to pour oil into your mouth and just gargle with it. Just let it run through your teeth and gums and everything, and spit it out. And after spitting it out, you can either gargle your mouth with water, or you can brush your teeth as normally you do. And it is mostly advised to do this oil pulling in the morning, like on an empty stomach before brushing your teeth. You just do this, so for a better, fresher and healthier set of teeth and gums. Alright, and this also says that how to practice oil pulling. So they are saying take a spoonful, use the spoon in the pack for exact dosage. They have also provided you a spoon, which I'll just show you, and you have to pour that oil in the spoon and just take that oil in your mouth, swish it in your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it out. Yeah, so that is how you're supposed to use it. And I have read about this, and mostly people say that you're not supposed to spit it out in the wash basin, because it can eventually clog your pores, pipes, not pores, skincare ka karke I'm like talking the same thing. But yes, this will clog your pipes, because coconut oil has this habit of solidifying at lower temperature, but sesame oil doesn't have that property. Sesame oil doesn't solidify at a lower temperature, so I think you can spit this in the wash basin. I think, like, clog होगा तो मुझसे मत कहना, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. So I don't know, I mean, you can, I think, because coconut oil solidifies, right? So that is one of the reasons people advise not to spit it in the wash basin. But I think you can spit this. Yeah. Alright, so just let's see the contents. I have never tried these things. I brush my teeth twice a day, and I use what is that, Listerine. That's it. Still I have a cavity, yeah, which I'll not show. Okay, so this is the spoon. Yeah, the spoon is so pretty. Wow, it's beautiful. I feel this is worth 350 rupees now after seeing the spoon. Alright, and there's also a booklet, a small leaflet. So everything is mentioned over here, like how you have to use it. And also this says that this procedure is called Gandusha. And see, there are like two words, Gandusha. Gandusha means filling the mouth with large quantity of oil and holding it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And Kavala, swishing a relatively smaller quantity of oil in the mouth and swishing it briskly inside the oral cavity and spitting it out after 2 to 5 minutes. So I will be doing the Kavala one, because I cannot do that for 10 to 15 minutes. I cannot put something inside my mouth. That will be way too much. Okay, so one more thing I would like to say is that this is not a substitute for brushing and flossing. You need to brush your teeth, you need to floss your teeth. This is just something which you have to add in your dental care. You can do this once or twice daily. You can get up in the morning and just, do it on an empty stomach, and then before going to bed you can do this. And you don't have to wait to eat something after doing this. You can just gargle your mouth with this oil, and then just rinse your mouth with normal water, and just proceed to eat whatever you want to eat. They have pretty much cleared all our doubts. Alright, so let's open this. Oh, this smells good. Like, this smells nice. This smells like Ayurveda. I mean, I don't know, like, this smells good. So let's take a little bit. Alright. So this oil has basically no color, like this has no color. Yeah. So let's see. I'm very scared, yaar. My hand is shaking. My hand is shaking. Okay. I did it, and um, I don't know, like the ingredients this has is like eucalyptus, lemon, and all good things this has. I was expecting a lot of flavor to this oil, like because this has so many things like lemon, eucalyptus, clove. I was expecting a lot of I was expecting a lot of flavor in this, but this just tastes like basic oil, like sesame oil, I would say. This just tastes like that. Mouth feels a little oily. I would advise you to brush your teeth after doing this, because just gargling won't remove the oil traces from around your, inside your cheek. So you'll have, like I am feeling right now, I'm feeling as if I have swallowed a lot of oil. I was expecting a flavorful kind of an oil by the packaging I was expecting, but nonetheless I think this product has all the good ingredients, and in the long run this will be very good for your teeth and gums. So I would advise you to try this. Taste wise, do not keep a lot of expectations, because taste is not that good. It just tastes like oil. I have to brush my teeth right now, so I'll do that. And apart from this, I think oil pulling is a good technique which I think you should follow. I will also try to follow this. Dental care, taste should not matter. You'll have to do things for your teeth. So I'll do this, and yeah, I think you can buy this and try this one. You can try this one bottle, try it, and maybe you'll see a difference in your overall breath and everything. But currently there is no fragrance of even anything coming from my mouth, like anything, clove, lemon, which is quite weird, because I don't know. I'm okay with this product, so it's good, it's okay. So that was it. You can give this a shot if you want. Okay, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.